Look at how cute. Oh my goodness.
They're like mini.
Mm-hmm.
Mo, look at that one right there that's laying down.
Yeah.
So cute.
Sick.
Mo, look at the one on the barrels.
Come here, friend. All right, it is spring break 2026, day 2. We are in Görlitz, Germany. We just drove about 2 hours to our next stop.
And we found some monkeys.
Mm-hmm.
There's like a whole group of them. And they're super cute.
They are super cute. The hotel we're staying in is technically on the Polish side of the border, but we can't check in for a little bit, so we saw some signs for a zoo and thought we'd come here. But we gotta find some fun things to do for the dude. There's another one coming. Look at him all.
It's an army of them.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm really chattering.
I already found my next zoo animal, and I found a second one and a third one. What do you mean, hello?
I thought some of them could talk to you. Oh, it's a red and green winged macaw. There's another one.
Hello?
Look at the sign. It says only animal abusers knock on the glass. There he goes. Look at Link. Look at Buddha. He was jumping.
You're getting here. Hi guys, I'm coming back.
Letztes Mal hat er hier oben auf dem höchsten Stein promenadiert in der Sonne.
It's cramped in there. Look at me. Look at the kangaroo. If I can jump from here to there. Oh. What? There's a...
These things, can't these like spit?
No. No. No, no.
Friend, how many stars would you give the Görlitz Zoo pasta bolognese?
Infinity.
Infinity.
Yeah.
It looks like a porcupine. Excuse me.
Yeah, it says it's
They're Indian.
Oh.
Indian nested porkies.
Oh, they're gonna launch over here.
Are these electric? No.
Must be their real sergeant.
Yeah, don't get too close, man.
Ow.
Look at that.
What's that one movie where the dog?
Homeward bound.
Homeward Bound. That's all I can think of. Oh, look at them. They're freaky. I don't like them.
Look at bro looking at me. Don't try to eat me.
Hi. They're cute. Excuse me. Look at all those cute little goats. I want goats.
He's like, oh, what are you doing? But then, no.
Might not want the big piece that he got there. Maybe he wants the soft.
Look at Buddha. Monster, come look. It's the little babies. They're so cute.
Bro's heading out. He doesn't want to be in this boring house.
Oh, look, Buddha.
What?
Baby chicks.
Little baby chicks.
Aww.
And then there's some eggs up here that are probably keeping warm.
Oh, I see a chick down there.
Mm-hmm. And look over here, friend.
Huh. There's more. Hey, look. Are those llamas?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. I'm staying away from the llamas because they spit.
I think they're the same thing. Isn't an alpaca a type of llama? Where is Heidi?
And what happened? Watch this. Dada, watch this. Dada, watch this.
Can you show the camera what you got, friend?
Huh?
Can you show us what you got?
Dun, 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 dun. I got a lobster.
Alright. We're done at the zoo. What was your favorite part of the zoo?
The yelling goats.
The yelling goats.
Yeah, actually no, the yelling sheep.
The yelling sheep.
Yeah.
I think my favorite part, the foxes were cute, and so were the little sheep and the little goats. What was your favorite part, Dada?
The Tibetan area.
That was cool. Very
What
colorful.
Tibet area?
This is where the foxes were.
I don't even see any foxes.
And now we're heading to the hotel, which is on
Niedzka 5.
It's on the Polish side of the border.
the
Head
Polish side.
southwest on Zittauer Strasse.
We're
Then
going to see
take the
because
first
right now it
onto
says there's a
East
huge
Strasse.
traffic jam on the other side of the border, so
Which we love.
I'm sure this will be fun.
No, it will not.
Luckily, we're always like super easy breezy, and it like takes a lot, honestly.
I don't stress at all.
No, yeah, it takes a lot to get us stressed and frustrated, so this will be no problem. This is our hotel. Essentia. Alright. Cute. Monster, look at there's your bed.
I get a bed right there, and you guys have a bed right there. This is the coolest room.
It is cool.
I think this is my most best hotel. I'm gonna give this one a 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3?
Yeah, 2 out of 3.
Alright. Okay, we got some
Get my jacket there.
vin,
Let me
some
get
water,
my
coffee, which is
switch
necessary.
out.
Let's check out the bathroom.
Bathroom. Wow, look at our toilet. It's like square.
It's a square. Shower. Cute.
Mama, look at the mirror. It has like 2 separate spots. I mean 3.
Uh-huh.
Why does it have 3 separate spots?
I don't know. Did you want any snacks, friend? Sure. Oh, we've got...
I want those Pokemon fruit snacks.
We got banana muffins and carrots, too. Do you want any of those?
No, just the Pokemon fruit snacks.
There you go.
Can you hold this? I don't want it on.
That's pretty cool, man.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah?
I saw where it was at. I was like, no way.
Yeah.
Daddy, come here. It says 67. 167.
This is Görlitz.
Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Like in the movie.
Yeah.
Movie within the movie.
They have filmed a lot of movies in Görlitz. The square we were just at, they had filmed scenes from Inglourious Bastards. But now we're walking around. We're gonna go find a Kartoffelhaus because if there's one thing we haven't had enough of, it's potatoes.
Are you serious? I'm not having the.
Look at man, they got stuffies up in the.
Probably have people going in at like 7 o'clock.
Yeah. No reservation. No luck. We're gonna find somewhere else. Second place we tried. No luck. Nothing. We went in. It was almost empty. There were like 2 tables, and we were like, "Do you have a table for 3?" And he said, "No." Got fried pierogies, chicken, and some other pierogies. Oh, interesting.
Is this your plate?
Yeah.
Bleh. Good.
What did you get for breakfast?
I got my mini Coke mini puffs. I got Cocoa Puffs. I think that my favorite part was staying in the motel
The 50s motel.
because it had an arcade.
And what did you think of the zoo?
It was cool. And we saw mongoose.
Kangaroo.
We saw kangaroos,
Camels.
camels.
Pretty cool.
And also we saw wild yaks there.
Wild yaks.
Is that a type of animal? I think I'm full.
Cool. I think I'm getting full too.
Use the left lane to turn on.
Mommy.
Goodness, we're at the Gliwice radio tower. Kind of looks like a giant siren head, doesn't it?
Hold up, Boodman.
Huh? This whole thing?
Yeah.
That radio tower is made out of wood. Most are today made out of metal. This one is made out of wood.
Najważniejsze to jest to, że prowokacja niemiecka nie była pretekstem II wojny światowej. Druga ważna, że tutaj nigdy nie przyszli napastnicy w górach polskich. Trzecia, że to nie była operacja Tannenberg. Tannenberg to była ludobójcza operacja na miarę Katynia, zupełnie gdzie indziej przypadku.
Hi, Dada. Yes. Huh?
Not really.
Yeah. Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
We just got done at the Gliwice radio tower. Can you just give me like a brief, like what's the history here? What is this?
Okay, so this area was German territory. It was kind of right on the border, and as a pretense for the invasion of Poland, they staged an attack on the radio tower with, I think they were SS or Gestapo, and they were posing themselves as Polish nationalists, and one of them was killed. I think he was like drugged and then killed to make it look like, see, this was a Polish terrorist or whatever. And following day or within hours, Germany launched its invasion of Poland.
But then we went to, there's a pizza place right across the street called Radiola, and Radiola, and of course, language barriers. We wanted to order like one pizza, like one small pizza, and then one small pizza for me and Lincoln to share.
So 2 pizzas. We wanted to order 2 pizzas.
We wanted to order 2 pizzas, but we messed that up. So she came out with 3, and so of course we have to like disguise it. We're like eating pieces off of it and like rearranging it to make it look like that is actually what we ordered.
Still wolfed down almost all of it.
Yeah, but despite that, we're good. But now we are heading to our hotel near Krakow, which will be in the next video, so stay tuned.
The hands are out.
Shh.
Hands are out, boys. We're headed to the hotel for boys.
Can you say like and subscribe?
Like and subscribe to our channel. If you like and subscribe to our channel, we might make more videos.
Starting route to Stefana Zaromskiego.
Bye.
I love that they give us complimentary wine. I'm honestly like not much of a drinker, but it's so nice when they leave free things for us. So that's really cute.
Alright, so this is a wooden radio tower. So apparently back in the day, I'm gonna get too far into this.
I'll edit it.
You'll edit it?
Yeah.
I was gonna give like, oh, normally there are 2 radio towers.
Probably a little too in the weeds.
Yeah. So, a unique piece of history, just to kind of show, I guess, how World War II began.
Yeah.
Don't use that part.